Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English Through Story. Today we are going on an exciting journey through the history of the United States of America. From the first people who lived on this land to the birth of a new nation and its rise to become one of the world's most powerful countries, this story is full of adventure, courage, and important events. Long ago, Native American tribes lived across North America for thousands of years. Then, explorers from Europe arrived, and everything began to change. New colonies were built, and people started dreaming of freedom and independence. In 1776, 13 colonies declared their independence from Britain. A long and difficult war followed, and finally, a new country was born, the United States of America. Over the years, the USA faced many challenges. It fought a civil war, expanded across the continent, welcomed millions of immigrants, and became a leader in science, technology, and culture. The country experienced both great victories and difficult times, but its story continued to inspire people around the world. As you listen, you will learn new English words and improve your listening skills, while discovering the fascinating history of the USA. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this English story. Let's begin. The history of the USA.